Today, let's talk about the lies we believe, the lies that hold us back from what God has for us. For me, I've believed a lot of lies through my life. I believed I wasn't good enough, I wasn't smart enough, I was too young, or I was too old. Whatever the lie may be, let me tell you, there is a truth found in God's word to replace that lie. And when you replace the lie, you will change the way you think. So then you begin to see through God's eyes and you can step into his purpose. In Matthew 4, Jesus was tempted. How did he overcome that temptation? By speaking the truth of God's word. And Matthew 4:4 tells us that we don't live by bread alone, the things of the world. We live by every word that comes out of the mouth of the Father. So that means we have to know our word so we can use our word to fight the lies that the devil throws at us on a day-to-day basis. I began to focus on God's word and really saw and began to live out the truth of Psalms 119, 105. His word becomes a light unto my path. It guides my steps. It directs me so that I can follow the course he has for me. It allows me to replace those limiting beliefs, those lies, with the truth of God's word and step fully into what he has called me to. And it can do the same for you today. It is time for you to replace the lies with truth. What lie do you need to start replacing today? Do you need help finding a verse? Let me know. I would love to share your journey.